Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to detect whether a user is in a full screen mode or not using JavaScript. So I have created a quick demo here. Currently you can see I got full screen off here because we are not in a full screen mode. To enter into full screen mode, I have to press F11 key on my keyboard. So you can see I'm in a full screen mode. Now to get out of full screen mode, I have to press F11 key again. You can see now I'm getting full screen off. So this is what I'm going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. At the bottom, we need a script file. So it will be script.js. Here, we only need h1 element. By default, status will be full screen off. Save it. Create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select h1 element. Text align will be center. Font color will be white. Margin top will be 200 pixels. Save it. Now create a script file here, script.js. Select the status element, which is basically our h1 element. So I'll make it status element. And here I will use query selector and pass the h1 element. Now to detect whether a user is in a full screen mode or not, we have to use matchMedia method here and get the media query list object. So let's create a variable here, mq. And we'll call the function matchMedia. Here we need to pass the display mode. So display mode will be full screen. Attach a change event listener to it. This will be the handler function. And it will have a event object here. In the event object, we have a property matches. It is basically a boolean value. So if it is true, we are in a full screen mode. If it is false, we are not in a full screen mode. So if eMatches is true, status element dot inner text will be full screen on. Or we can do one thing. Just get rid of this if statement, and here we'll use the ternary operator like this. Just copy and paste it. It will be off. So that's all what you need to detect a full screen mode using JavaScript. Now open this file in the browser. Let me fix this. Now press the F11 key. You can see now we're in full screen mode and we are getting full screen on. To exit out of it, simply press F11 key again and we are getting full screen off. So I hope you understood how to detect whether a user is in full screen mode or not using JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.